Today's video, I built a n8n lead scraper that extract thousands of leads daily on my outreach purpose. So let's get started how I scrap that. So first of all, that is my Google Sheet and that is my all the credentials of the SerpAPI, and that is the leads data. You see that that is the daily leads. I generate 60, but you can also generate a thousands of lead according you. So in this video, I generate a thousands of lead so in a daily. It's free of course, so I will guide you in step by step. So first of all, I make a schedule trigger, and after that I use in which serp api, and that is the serp api and the loop in the serp api, how many pages I need to extract, and that all the data that push in my Google Sheet. If the serp api key is fall, yeah, maybe error, that regenerate api key, their new credential use. So you see that that is new credential use. So first of all, I use two credentials. That is my three accounts, like and here's I created the SERP API account, and how the one account is the monthly limit, like 250 limits. So I am using the free account, that 250 250 250, like 750. So that is the pro plan. It's 100 thousands of results you can extract in monthly, but I am using free of course the thousands of monthly searches. I can connect the fourth account also, and that is be working if the api is fall, like 250 searches, and after that using that new credentials. You see that that is the delete the old credential, that create a new credential, and after that they update in my Google Sheet also. So first, let's execute that workflow. So first of all, I delete that all the leads. So in the uh, plane, I will guide you, so step by step. So first of all, that is the leads. So in daily tasks, what you need to type, that you just need to write here the search results, how many search result do you need, and after that they generate complete how many data you extract, just that needed fields you need. So first of all, need a search query, like that. You see that that is the search query I need to the Google search. You see that that is the phone number, that is the phone number, that is the email, and here that scrap all the pages in the search results. So first I go to the here, and let's execute that workflow. So that is my Google Sheet and Dubai and website services, and here's I needed 8 results, but I asked them, hey, I need a 10 results pages. So let's execute the workflow. So that is the Google Sheet that get the data on my daily tasks, and what I my task, and that is the all data that needed. I need search query. You can also update according you, like 24th April. So first that insert my 10 leads in here, the 20 leads, and after 30 50 60 70 step by step that are working. So you see that that is the wait node, and here that is the 30 leads extracted, and I need 10 extracted result pages. You see that there is the 10 items here. I will guide you completely, so just wait. Now they extracted one by one leads, and here's I extracted 71 leads. So now they, how many items they extracted now? So 10 10 10 they are working, and after done it, they done it and update that is in my daily tasks. So just I wait, and here's the 100 plus leads is extracted. You can also ask the in the daily task, you can also, but the daily results pages you just get on the Google, like 2030, you just write here 2030. If you 100 like that is the opportunities, you get the thousands of leads in daily. You see that. So first, and how many that I need 10 results pages, it's mean the 10 search query I use, and how many data they extracted, the 100 plus data in which have the 43 emails and which have the 43 phone numbers. So let's go to the leads sheet. You see that how many, that is the source of the sheet, Google Map, Instagram, Ambassador, like TikTok, and that is be the email, that is be the unverified, and that is be the phone number, and that email, phone number, and xyz details, that all the fields is come here. And so let's guide you. So first of all, in the Google Sheet, so that extract that the get data, how many are result search pages, and that is the search query, and which phone number, which location, which services you are interested. So my monthly limit usage is 250, so free plan. uh, so first, that all the JSON data that come here, I just make a uh, purifier JavaScript, and here that provide me like a schema is the purifier node, which source I use, and 10 items. So which date, which source link, which profiles bios. So that is be the limit that set that all the details in my Google Sheet. And after that limit, I just insert the next value in the one limit, so not be the 10 items. So again, the results needed, which I result needed, I need a 10 results pages, so I write here that how many are results pages needed, the 10. So that is be the item they pass out the 10, in which the URL format, you see that is be the 10, that is be the 20, 30, 40, 50. And after that, I use a loop node, and which the SerpAPI pass out my next link URL. So 10, 20 next URL pages for the like that, and look like 2, 3, and 4 pages. Look like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages that is scrap one by one. And after the when that all the updates and the field in my Google Sheet also, and if they done it, the loop send out the updating in my Google Sheet. So that is with the daily task assigned, how many fields I extracted, 43 emails, 43 phone numbers, and the data, how many fields is come, 109 is data come. So if the data fall in the middle of the funnel, so what he did that fail it that SERP API, that all the details also updating in my Google Sheet. If that API is falling, that use new credentials here. So if you credential are using here, you can also connect that your account, and if you leads, you see that you can also send that is be the high quality leads on the Google search. If you love that video, please like and subscribe and share that video, and subscribe my channel, must.